Okay, so right here with the Brussels sprouts, we're gonna hit them with a little bit of black pepper. You can season them how you want to season them, but like the black pepper. I also like to hit them with a little bit of onion powder. Use as much as you want. Also a little garlic powder. I mean, I don't know, it's a lot of people that don't like Brussels sprouts, but the way I make these things good. Last one, I have a little touch of salt. American drizzle with just a little bit of butter over it. Some people use olive oil. I like the melted butter. Now you go in and kind of toss these around so they all can get a little bit of love, a little bit of seasoning. That's all you want. The Brussels sprouts, you're gonna put them down, cut side down. Just put them all in here. Cut side down. It don't matter how they look, just make sure that the cut side is down. I promise you, whenever you eat these, you're gonna be going to the store asking for Brussels sprouts, man. I promise you, man. These things are good. Good. Dang, I don't have enough space. See, be quiet. The dog is over there. I guess he smells some of this stuff. So we're gonna take these and put it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. The edge is gonna crispy up, you take them out. Stay with me. Okay, so now we're gonna make our, I call it my special sauce that goes in the Brussels sprouts. First, we're gonna start with a stick of butter. Now you're gonna add your chopped garlic. Keep this on low so it don't burn, but you want the butter to completely melt, and you want this garlic, to make up a new word, to fragralize. You want the garlic to fragralize. Yeah. And you're gonna add about a teaspoon of pure sesame oil. And also add about a teaspoon of chili oil. A little bit more. You gotta stir all those flavors. Now, you can use honey, I use agave. Add about 2 tablespoons of agave. You have to turn your heat up just a little bit. You can use whatever vinegar you like. I have some white vinegar. I'm using this about maybe a tablespoon. Bring it back up to a simmer. Now I add some of my seasonings. black pepper. Got some garlic pepper. Garlic pepper. About a half a teaspoon of cane sugar. So that's bubbling up, you like that, that's good. That's creating that good sauce. Just sticking it up. Now you turn this on low for about 4 or 5 minutes.